Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you like this new video, please like it, comment, share it and subscribe. So now you watch the full video.
A for apple, A for ant, A, 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 A. B for ball, B for bat, B, 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 B. C for cat and C for cup, C, 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 C. D for dog, D for doll, D, 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 D. E for egg and E for ears, E, 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 E. F for fish, F for fan, F, 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 F. Did you all watch the pictures? Huh? So now it will be very easy for you to recognize and sing fluently. Shall we sing once again? A for ant and A for apple, A, 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 A. B for bat, B for ball, B, 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 B. C for cat and C for cup, C, 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 C. D for dog, D for doll, D, 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 D. E for egg and E for ears, E, 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 E. F for fish, F for fan, F, 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 F. Got it? So what you have to do? You have to rewind, rewind, rewind. Hear it properly and you have to sing and you have to learn this. Okay? So shall we meet in the next class? Till then, take care. Bye.